This week we reached a significant milestone on the North Bridge refurbishment project with the removal of all traffic management and pedestrian restrictions from the North Bridge for the first time in almost 8 years. We are engaged by City of Edinburgh Council through the SCAPE civil engineering framework. The refurbishment of the bridge itself involved significant concrete deck repairs, steelwork repairs. We refurbished the cast facade and we also installed a permanent access platform. And what that platform does is it provides the council with access to undertake future maintenance and inspection of the bridge so it doesn't fall into the same condition that it did when we arrived at the project.
I mean, the bridge itself is hugely significant for the city. It's a key arterial route that links the old town and the new town, and it's used extensively for people traversing the city and moving around the city. Having the bridge open fully enables that to happen much more efficiently, and it will be a huge benefit for residents and visitors, especially as we head into the very busy summer festival period. It's hugely important that we maintain the look and the feel of the bridge for Edinburgh and preserve it for future generations.
This has been a unique engineering challenge for us, and a lot of the time we had to learn new techniques and new methods to allow us to refurbish the structure. One of the biggest challenges we had to overcome was working above Waverley Station. So we've got a long history working and collaborating with Network Rail, and we used that experience to overcome those challenges to allow us to deliver the project with no interruption or interference with the railway. It's not just a milestone for the project this week, removing the traffic and pedestrian management. It's a milestone for over 4,000 people that have been involved in the refurbishment over the course of the project. And from the site team as well, part of the legacy has also been the engagement with the local communities, local schools, colleges, universities, and sharing the learning that we had on this project for future generations.
It's been a hugely complex project that hasn't been without its challenges, but I've been really impressed with how the team at Balfour Beatty and the council officers have worked through those problems. And I'm confident that we now have not only a bridge, but an iconic piece of Edinburgh's infrastructure that's going to look fantastic, not only now, but into the future for many years to come.